A jewel in California's educational system, Glendale Community College's Child Development Lab School is a fully accredited, top-tier program designed to educate students who seek to be teachers in the field of early childhood education.
I knew from early on that I do want to be a teacher, and when I stepped into GCC and I saw the relationship that they have, it's very child-centered. I wanted to be that positive impact on a child's life.
The thing that really excited me to come to this school was the experience that I would gain by being on the field.
One of the great aspects about this program is that we have cameras around the building for the students to be able to observe the classroom. And after their observation hours, the students are able to debrief. So just in case if they have a question, the teachers are there to support them.
So far, it's been really insightful and enlightening, and the program just really give us an insight of what it's like to be an educator.
During the theory classes, we were learning about different psychologies, different ways of teaching, and even new concepts. And so when we were on the field here, we could really put in practice what we were learning.
I highly recommend this program because there's an opportunity for everyone, for every student to grow. I used to be a student, then I became a substitute teacher, and now I'm an early childhood educator, and I'm working here at CDC.
I really think that the foundation that I receive here prepare me for, the next steps in my career as a teacher, and also just to be also a better person.